All right, what's up, everybody? Today is a very special unboxing video. Um, so I've been mentioning in the past I've been working on a cosplay. Working on this cosplay for almost 2 years now. We did kind of went on a Mechacon, but it wasn't as good as I wanted it to be. So I spent the last year, mostly this year, getting piece by piece by piece. And today, the final piece came in, and I am unbelievably nervous to see if this piece fits. If it does, I'm about to be very excited. If it doesn't, I'm about to be very pissed. So, if you're wondering, I am going to be Spider-Man soon. If you haven't read the title already, I got the mask from RPC Studios. I got a 5% discount on my next purchase. This is Miles Morales' comic mask. This is pretty awesome for me, and I'm very nervous because this is like a dream come true that I'm about to be Spider-Man. But not the Spider-Man you're thinking. I'm not wearing the spandex. Not yet. Maybe one day. This is actually going to be an original, I guess, a Spider Sansa has been going around. Mine is going to be a little more gun oriented. And I will soon do breakdown videos on all of that. But first things first, the mask. Boy. Quality wise, it's pretty good. Very not soft, but not too thin fabric. Lenses are pretty good. I think these are the non-fog up ones, so I can actually see out and breathe without them fogging up on me. Uh, it does look like literally I could have probably got this at Hobby Lobby and made, but at the same time, the stitching on it is really good. I don't know if this camera will show it, but like, it's not good. Like, it's actually pretty good. Oh, there's a zipper? What? I mean, I'm excited. Now I'm nervous because, like, the zipper break, I might be fucked. I don't know if I can swear it anymore or not, but I know one thing. I cannot see. I need to get new glasses. Whew. Okay. I'm so nervous. God. Oh, no. Don't you dare tell me this don't fit. Okay. I was about to get scared. Oh, my God. I'm going to need a haircut. Oh, it's in my hair. Oh, God. Ow. Oh, my God. What? Look at you. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little hard in the eyes. It's a little hard to see. It keeps hitting my eyebrows. Holy hell, yo. It's ironic I'm wearing the Spider-Man shirt too. This is like a coincidence. Oh man. This is amazing. I'm gonna be Spider-Man with guns. Oh my god, this is really dope. I'm not gonna like the only thing I it's hard for me to see because I wear glasses and I can't wear contacts because I poke my eye too much. Oh my god. Your boy gonna be Spider-Man. Oh, that was a horrible dab. That was like the worst dab in the history of dabbing. Cancel it. Cancel all dabbing now. I'm sorry. I apologize for ruining dabbing for everyone. I'm Spider-Man though. This is amazing! Spectacular! Oh! Oh man, I cannot believe this. I can't wait for y'all to see the full outfit. I think actually in a week. I mean, I still gotta put some finishing touches on it, but it's almost done. It's like 95% done. I'm gonna be Spider-Man. 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 I'm gonna be. Alright, I'm gonna stop. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please support. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. PRC, I'm sorry, RPC Studio. Thank you guys very much. If I do have to say one thing, is to the United States Postal Service, you guys suck. Okay, y'all said my package is gonna get here on the 22nd of October. It is now the 25th. How you gonna email somebody? Tell them on the 22nd your package will arrive. Then tell them it's going to be late. And then find out your package ain't even coming. Just like the Children's Dance. For what, son? For what? Why would you do it? Why would you do it? You're stupid. You're stupid. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, stay geeky, my squires. I'm Spider-Man, signing out.